Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to put RJ45 end on a cable. So you got two different types of ends, and it doesn't matter which one you use. I prefer what they call pass-through. So what it is you stick the wires in there and they come out the end, and then you use a tool such as this. It's going to cut the end of them. And it also presses down on these gold pins here. So the other style is there's none of that. You got to cut the wire exactly where you need it, stick it on there, and use this crimper, and you crimp it. So I usually use the pass-through because, yeah, you're going to waste maybe 2 inches or so of cable. Yeah, I think it's easier. Some people don't think so. Some of the other tools that I have, this is going to take the outer layer of the cable off, just the blue part. And then I got some scissors here. They're pretty important. You don't really want to just use regular scissors. I mean, you can, I guess, but I wouldn't. So I take this device. What I do is I usually do like, I don't know, 1.5 inches, about 2-3 times. You'll hear a snap. You just take that outer layer off. So what you do is there's this little fabric that you don't have to take off, but I do. So you just get it off there. So there's these little cables in here that are twisted. So you just want to bend each one back. Just not worry about them for now. So there's this little spine in the middle. What you're going to want to do is kind of tug on it like so. And then you're going to cut in about 3 or 4 different places on that. And take your time because you don't want to nick one of those wires. And usually you just kind of tug it off like that. So what you're going to do is, these are twisted right now, so you're going to get the white, orange. You're going to undo them. What you're going to do is they're kind of still twisted a little bit. What I do is I get my finger and I kind of just run it along here. I use that friction from my finger to straighten them. And then the next pair is going to be the white, green. So untwist them, do the same thing. Kind of just use your finger, and it kind of helps straighten them out. So the next is going to be the white, blue, but there's a little twist. I'll show you. There's a little twist where we're going to change 2 of these. So basically, do the same thing. And after doing a few of these, your fingers will kind of start hurting a little bit. So white, blue. Just do it, I don't know, 6-7 times. Okay, and then you're going to do the white, brown. Just like that. So what I was telling you earlier, the green, the solid green, and the solid blue are going to flip. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the green and you're going to put it on the right side of the blue, the white blue. And then you're going to take the blue and put it on the right side of the white green. I mean, I could have done that earlier, but I just kind of like to get them all straightened out first. So what I do is, oh, hold on a second. With that spline in the middle, it kind of pain in the butt sometimes. But once you got them where you want them, then you just straighten them all out. Go from the beginning to the end, straighten them out. I use these scissors, and they're kind of uneven, so what I do is I cut like maybe ½ inch off. I'm going to do it down here so I don't make a mess. Like so. Make sure they're in order. So what you do is you take this end right here, and for the gold plates sticking up, this is going to be the order. So you want the white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown, and the brown. And the brown's on my side, the white, orange is on your side. So what you do is you just stick them in here, just like that. And some people, it take a while to, get this, and it takes repetition. So if you don't get it within a couple minutes, yeah, it's no big deal. So these serve two purposes. They cut the end of the wire off, and they crimp these gold plates down. Well, these here, they're not pass-through, so basically you still put this on there, but it just crimps them white plates down. So what I do is there's two sizes. You want to use the bigger one. You kind of get it in there just right. You'll feel it whenever it's there. Just like this. What you want to do is press down, just like so, and see if I can. So yeah, that's how you do it. And so the other side, if you're going from like a switch to a computer or a router to the computer, on the other side you do the same thing. So that's pretty much it.